Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L5190 printer driver download. So first method we have to epsonco.in. This is this is a official site. You just download a driver, just click on it first. Scroll down. You can see extract driver, extract this and printer driver and click to download. Scroll down. I agree the software license and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading, and this is supported OS. You can see Windows 10, 11, 8 also. Okay, and this is downloading. 64.28 MB size of this file driver, and it is completed. Just single click to open. After that, click for yes for administrator rights, and then click to OK. Again click to OK. I agree, and then same click to OK. Now this is the printer driver installing to system. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Then two way to install: first the network USB and second USB cable. So if your network, so click to search the network search. It will just click to OK and then click to OK. It will scan and detect and install it. Okay, and if you know about your printer IP, so select this specific IP and enter the IP address. Otherwise this you can also. Okay, only IP no, so you can this and click to OK. Then USB, so connect to USB to your printer via USB printer USB cable, then click to OK. It will detect and scan. Okay, then next install. So both method you have to restart your system, and if you are facing some issues, so please comment me, I will support you. Thank you.